Your home could be the very reason your finances are stuck. Yes, you heard that right. The energy flowing through your space has a direct impact on your wealth and prosperity. And certain areas of your home might be silently blocking abundance from entering your life. From cluttered entryways to neglected corners, these subtle issues could be sabotaging your financial goals. But don't worry, today we're revealing the key wealth-locking areas in your home and exactly how to realign them for a life of abundance and success. Ready to unlock the full potential of your space? Let's dive in. The energy in your home plays a powerful role in shaping your financial success. Think about it. When your space feels disorganized or cluttered, doesn't your mind feel the same? The same applies to wealth. Energy flows through your home like a river, and when obstacles block its path, abundance struggles to reach you. It's not just about having a clean home, it's about creating harmony and purpose in every corner. Whether you believe in ancient feng shui principles or simply want a more inviting space, the key lies in alignment. When you take control of your surroundings, you take control of your finances. Small adjustments like decluttering a drawer or fixing a broken item can open doors for prosperity to flow freely into your life. Let's take this journey together and transform your home into a magnet for abundance. Your entryway is more than just a gateway to your home. It's the first impression your space makes on wealth, energy. Picture this: cluttered shoes, forgotten mail, and a heavy, stuck door. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They're signals that abundance isn't welcome here. A blocked entryway symbolizes opportunities being turned away before they can even knock. But don't worry, realigning this area is simpler than you think. Start by clearing the clutter. Shoes and bags should be stored neatly, and any unnecessary items should be removed. A clean, open entryway invites positive energy and wealth to flow in. Consider adding a welcoming touch like a fresh plant or a mirror to reflect light and energy. Even something as small as fixing a squeaky door or adding a vibrant doormat can shift the energy dramatically. Remember, this is the space where abundance begins. Make it count. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and in terms of energy, it symbolizes nourishment, health, and wealth. If this space is neglected or disorganized, it can send a signal that abundance is not being nurtured in your life. Think about it. Expired food in the pantry, a dirty stove, or broken appliances can disrupt the flow of positive energy and even create a sense of lack. This is a wealth-blocking area that often goes unnoticed. To realign your kitchen for abundance, start by giving it a deep clean. Pay extra attention to the stove as it represents your financial resources. Keep it spotless and make sure all burners are functioning, symbolizing multiple streams of income. Organize your pantry and refrigerator, discard expired items, and neatly arrange the rest to create a sense of order and plenty. If possible, bring in elements that symbolize abundance, such as a bowl of fresh fruit on the counter or a small herb plant to add life and vibrancy. Even the colors in your kitchen can play a role. Warm tones like red or orange can enhance the energy of prosperity. When your kitchen feels cared for, it sends a message to the universe that you're ready to receive abundance in all forms. Your bedroom is your personal sanctuary, a space where you recharge and rejuvenate. But did you know it also holds the key to your financial clarity? A cluttered or chaotic bedroom can disrupt your sleep and drain your energy, leaving you too fatigued to focus on your goals. Beyond that, this is where your subconscious mind rests and resets, making it a crucial area for fostering a wealth-attracting mindset. To realign this space, start by decluttering. Clothes, books, and random items don't belong piled up in your sacred space. Put them in their proper place or remove them entirely. Next, pay attention to your bed. The position of your bed matters. It should have a solid headboard and be placed against a sturdy wall for support and security, symbolizing stability in your finances. Use soft, harmonious colors for your bedding to promote relaxation and balance. Keep electronic devices to a minimum, as they can disrupt the flow of positive energy and even interfere with restful sleep. Finally, consider adding decor that inspires you, a calming piece of art, a plant, or even a small vision board that represents your financial goals. When your bedroom becomes a peaceful, harmonious space, it allows you to rest deeply and wake up with renewed focus, ready to attract the abundance you deserve. Bathrooms often go unnoticed as potential wealth-blocking areas, but they play a critical role in the energy of your home. Water represents wealth in many traditions, and bathrooms are where water flows out, making them areas where prosperity can figuratively drain away. A neglected bathroom with leaky faucets or open toilet lids can amplify this energy loss, silently sabotaging your efforts to attract abundance. To realign your bathroom, begin by addressing any maintenance issues. Fix leaks immediately, as dripping water symbolizes money slipping through your fingers. Keep the toilet lid closed and ensure drains are clear to prevent wealth energy from escaping. Cleanliness is key here. A sparkling bathroom signals respect for yourself and your resources. Add elements that counteract the draining effect, such as placing a small plant like bamboo, which symbolizes growth, or incorporating calming decor like candles or soft towels to make the space feel intentional. Mirrors in the bathroom should be spotless and strategically placed to reflect light and energy without creating a sense of overwhelm. By taking these steps, your bathroom transforms from a space of energy loss into a balanced, calming environment that supports the flow of prosperity in your life. The living room is the heart of communal energy in your home. It's where family and friends gather, and its energy directly reflects harmony and abundance in your relationships, which can ripple into other areas of your life, including finances. However, a cramped, disorganized, or neglected living room can block the flow of positive energy, creating stagnation. Start by assessing the layout of your living room. Is the furniture arranged in a way that encourages conversation and connection? A cramped or overly cluttered space can block the energy flow, making the room feel heavy and uninviting. Rearrange your furniture to promote open pathways and free movement. Remove items that no longer serve a purpose, whether it's old magazines, broken decor, or outdated electronics. Lighting is another critical element. Ensure the room is well lit, either with natural light during the day or warm, inviting lamps at night. Mirrors can help amplify the sense of space and light, but avoid placing them where they reflect clutter or chaos. Add meaningful touches like fresh flowers, a vibrant painting, or a wealth bowl filled with symbolic items like coins or crystals. When your living room is a welcoming, vibrant space, it fosters a sense of abundance that spreads throughout your home and life. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space where wealth energy feels at home. Your home office or workspace is the command center for productivity, creativity, and focus, key elements directly tied to your financial success. However, when this area is messy, poorly lit, or uninspiring, it can stifle your motivation and hinder your ability to attract wealth and opportunities. An unorganized workspace reflects scattered energy, making it difficult to focus on your goals. To realign this space, start by decluttering your desk. Papers, cables, and random items should either be organized or removed. Every item in this area should have a purpose and contribute to your productivity. Next, evaluate the flow of energy. Position your desk so you can see the door, symbolizing control and awareness. Avoid sitting with your back to the door, as this can create a subconscious sense of vulnerability. Incorporate elements that inspire you, a motivational quote, a vision board, or a small plant to bring life to the space. Good lighting is essential. Natural light is best, but if that's not an option, invest in a quality desk lamp to create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Keep a clear space for writing or brainstorming, and organize tools like pens, notebooks, and electronics for easy access. By transforming your workspace into a hub of clarity and inspiration, you'll be better equipped to focus, achieve your goals, and attract financial success. Storage spaces such as closets, basements, or attics are often out of sight, but they shouldn't be out of mind. These hidden areas hold more than just old items. They store stagnant energy that can block the flow of abundance in your life. Overflowing or disorganized storage creates a sense of heaviness, weighing down the energy in your home and making it difficult for new opportunities to find their way in. Start by tackling one storage area at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Declutter ruthlessly. If you haven't used an item in the last year, consider donating, recycling, or discarding it. Organize what remains into labeled bins or boxes to create a sense of order. When your storage spaces are clean and intentional, they stop holding negative energy and instead become neutral areas that support the rest of your home's flow. Pay attention to how you store things. Avoid stuffing items in haphazardly, as this creates chaotic energy. Instead, keep the space tidy and well organized. Adding a touch of care, like an air freshener or even a small decorative item, can shift the energy in these hidden areas. When storage spaces are no longer neglected, they stop being wealth-blocking zones and start contributing to the harmonious energy of your home. Your home is more than just a place to live. It's a powerful reflection of your energy and intentions. By identifying and realigning the 7 wealth-blocking areas in your home, you're not only creating a more harmonious environment, but also opening the door for abundance to flow freely into your life. From the welcoming energy of a clean and organized entryway to the focused clarity of a functional workspace, every small change adds up to create a big shift in how you attract prosperity. Remember, it doesn't take a complete overhaul to see results. Start small, pick one area to focus on today. Maybe it's clearing the clutter in your living room or addressing that leaky faucet in the bathroom. As you work through these spaces, you'll notice a lighter, more positive energy filling your home. With each step, you're setting the stage for financial opportunities and personal growth. Finally, take this as a sign to prioritize your environment. Your space is an extension of you, and when it thrives, so do you. So what's the first area you'll realign today? Share your progress in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating a life of abundance. Until next time, remember, a well